Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can fill the dispatch detail of any order and then after you can send it to your buyer. So for that, let us go to our transaction module. On your left hand side you will see transaction module option. Please click on this. Now once you will go in transaction module, these are the list of transactions. So as you can see that this particular order for Globe Valve is one of my transaction which is not dispatched. So I will open it, because once you will go ahead and fill the details in invoice, the dispatch detail in invoice, then after it will show as dispatch, goods dispatch. So here I have already created all the document, so you need to go in invoice. So you can just go below, and here is the invoice which I have created. Open this particular invoice. Now once you will open this tax invoice, on your right hand side in very top you will see other action. Click on this. Here you will see option of dispatch. Once you will click on dispatch, it will ask for the title. So it's the Vault dispatch. Transporter name, you can go ahead and just fill it. It's Shri Balaji Transport. Tracking number, this is a tracking number which can be provided by the transporter, or you can very well go ahead and just, if you are sending it through DTDC or any of the courier, so you will get a tracking number. You need to fill that tracking number here. So I will just put, it's a POS 176432. This is my tracking number, vehicle number. So you can very well go ahead and put this vehicle number. So it's MH02 7284. All the details which I am filling here are just for the demo. How much you need to pay to transporter, as I have already paid it to the transporter, so you don't need to mention it. Just put a 0 and the dispatch date when it is dispatched. So the dispatch date is of today. Now you can very well go ahead and put the comment. You can add any additional user if you are if you want to send this particular email to any additional user. So you can very well go ahead and put that here. If you are using our aftership integration, you can click on send to aftership, and after that you need to click on dispatch. So once you will click on dispatch, this particular detail will be saved. Let me show you where you can check that. Click on view transaction. Now please check the goods have been dispatched. Now the status have been changed, and if I go below, just below the invoice, you can see that each and every detail is there. Same have been sent to your buyer as well, whose email was available in invoice. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you while filling the dispatch detail and sending it to your buyer. Have a good day ahead.